In this video, I'll show you how to find your phone using your Casio GBD-200. Obviously, this watch needs to be paired with your smartphone before having access to this feature. But once this is done, and let's say you forgot where you put your phone, there is a very easy way to find it. Simply press this button over here on the left side, the top button, during 2 seconds. Keep it pressed. Once you get this menu, we need to go down using this left lower button here until you have selected Phone Find. Press the start button on your watch, then press the start button once more. And you'll hear this sound coming out of your phone that will make it very easy to find. To stop this, press the right side lower button. This will shut off this alarm. Now you can customize this setting on the G-Shock Move app. Let's go back on the main screen of the app by pressing the right side lower button here. And on the app, you're going to press on More, then select Phone Finder, should be the third option here. Then under Sound, you can click on it and select a few different sounds, or you can also add a new sound or alarm over here. And you can customize the volume of this alarm once you select Find My Phone on your G-Shock GBD-200. If you want to be very loud, put it like this. And this is it. This is how you use this very interesting and useful feature on your G-Shock. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, write a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.